All right, first one, we're talking about gels, chemical exposure.
Chemicals. That's probably one of your biggest risks, depending on the way that you look at it, because you cannot avoid chemicals when you're a nail technician, whether it is acetone, whether it is IPA, and then of course you've got your gels, acrylic, etc., etc. So there are risks involved with that. What are the risks? Well, general chemical exposure risks. You've got fire risks with certain flammable products, but the risk that we're going to be concentrating on right now is your risk to developing an allergy to these products. And let's be honest, as a working nail technician, that is a really big risk to you, because that is risking your livelihood. You know, if you developed an allergy so bad to the point where you can't offer the treatments anymore, then you've lost your job.
Yeah.
So that really is probably the biggest risk that we are facing. So what are we looking at? We're looking at something that we've talked about in 100 other podcasts before. We are looking at gels, we are looking at acrylics, we are looking at mostly monomers. These are the things that are most likely to cause you an adverse allergic reaction. Unfortunately, you cannot get away from acrylates and methacrylates when you are a nail technician, no matter what products you are using, unless you are just using air dry polish, which, let's be honest, 99% of us are not doing that. And even if you are using that for part of your treatment, you're using gels, UV gels, acrylics, etc. in combination. So you cannot avoid acrylates as a nail tech. It's just impossible.